Unong yalam bahakmat jong keseng BJP ba AL hack ulapan pau ba keseng BJP kan senangla ban lep ha kan ke election sya kayeng dorbar tawan jong ka Lok Sabha. Ula ru ba lingba shibun teliki skim baladon lupa keseng kalala ban penpoi lut sya kipat ba. Habakren cikinong tok kubor ba hack hene kesngi ula benrap ba wat la ula kentaj banlong ukertong MP na kasilong parliamentary seat House nam Arhajar Khat Sao bat Arhajar Khat Kendai Henry hagan kenti meminta unnum kentaj syu lada kidang terwaya Ula ru ba ka Dr. Fenela El Nonglat kadang day tangka kertong ka badan ka jingkwa uba hek ula ba ka seng ka sashim yakarai ba khaddu.
BJP is the only one party which I told several times, just working day and night 24/7 for all kind of party activities and also particularly for preparations of the elections. He is also one of the aspirants for contest until unless the official announcement has been made. So we cannot say everybody can be aspirants. I told this many times because 14 also have denied, 19 I have denied. This time I will not deny.
Mintrang ba